In this video, we will show you how to airbrush your cake. You can add color to your cake without having to put food coloring in your icing. Now, I have already smoothed the edges of our cake. Feel free to use buttercream or your preferred icing for your cake. Okay, it's been smoothed with imperfect edges. It's ready to be painted. We will now make our paint mixture. In this case, we will be using grain alcohol, but you can use other solutions such as vodka. Add some pearl dust to the mixture in your Hobbycor. Now we can test our solution on our cake to make sure the concentration is correct. The straw is attached, so I lock the reservoir in place. With the airbrush in position, I spray the back of the cake to see if everything is ready. If I spray the cake and see that the solution is dripping or not as concentrated, I can add more pearl dust to the mixture and test it again. If it runs, it means there is too much liquid. When spraying, try not to do it too close to the cake. Also, maintain a good pace with horizontal movements when applying color with your Hobbycor. This way, your cake will be covered uniformly and won't have blotches. If we take a look up close here, you will see that it is not fully concentrated yet. This means we need to add some more powder before we continue spraying. By checking your results, you can make sure your cake will be nice and shiny, covered with just the right amount of color. After coloring the cake, I will decorate it with a piping tip. That's it, guys! Our cake is all ready. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you next time.